Hi, this is Tommy Gibbs, and I want to show you one of the new enhancements that we've added to the system that's pretty darn cool. Um, when you're looking at the inventory each day, it tells you a number of things, and it tells you, as an example here with this first unit, it tells you how many days you've had the car, the life cycle you gave it, and whether it's how it stands with its life cycle in this particular unit is minus 12 days. And then over here we show you the predictive gross and the predictive ROI. In other words, we're predicting if you sell it today for what you have it on the internet for, you're going to lose $882 in that car, and the ROI is in the tank at 16%, minus 16 rather. And the sweet spot we're trying to get to is 110%. We have a tab that you may not be using that you should be. It's called the Close tab. And if you click on the Close tab, it's going to show you all those units that have left your inventory over the last 60 days. So if, as a used car manager, if I'm managing this correctly, I'm clicking on this every morning and I'm setting any cars that have the word action, this store has one on it, I'm setting those cars in inventory. But the next thing I ought to do is go click on the Close tab and take a look at any units that have left the system over the last 60 days. So normally you're just going to have one or two or three or 10 or whatever kind of day you had yesterday sitting there. And so this unit right here, this Mustang, left this dealer's inventory on the 12th, on October the 12th. And at the time that it left, we were showing it as a 1616 gross profit and a predictive ROI of 111%, which, it's acceptable. We'll take that. That's what it's showing, but we don't really know what happened to that car. We don't know. We're not pulling from your DMS. We don't know what the final gross was on it. But if you're interested in knowing the final gross and the final ROI and the gap, we can show that to you really easily by you punching in the actual gross on that car. And all you have to do is go here and click on that tab and type in here what the gross was. So on this car, let's pretend that we know that we made, let's say, $700 on that car. You punch it in, you hit the tab button, and it automatically calculates the amount of gap that you gave up. Gap is the difference between the internet price and the transaction price, and it will show you the actual ROI at 48%. And then it just tabs right on down. You can see it went right down to the next tab here, and you can put them in. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it's something you should consider using because now you can actually see the difference. Now, if you wanted to, you can download a full report by clicking that download button, and it'll download an Excel spreadsheet and really show you all the information about your inventory in those cars as they're going through the system. Hey, I'm Tommy Gibbs. If I can help you, please reach out to me. Thanks for your business and have a great day.